Hi there, this is Doc Mountain and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually verify your account, that is the ICE account with X, which is formerly known as Twitter. So I'll try to be as slow as I can so as to help you follow through. You can just kickstart this. You will receive a prompt for you to actually verify your account with Twitter. So when you click that, you will be brought to this page. So from here, all you have to do is you click continue, and then you will be brought here. So what you need to do is this. Okay, so let's read through. They're saying open X and search for @ICE blockchain account. Find the pinned post, which is the first post on the profile. Then like and repost it with quote using the exact text below. So what you need to do is you click copy. I hope you're able to see that. Then tap the link here to open X directly. Okay, so now when you're brought here, what you need is to swipe up. Then you like. After you like the post, click the messages icon there. Tap and hold and paste that. After you paste, click reply. Okay, so that has been sent. After doing that, click repost. Then click quote. Tap and hold on top there, then paste. Then repost. Then you can click on that so that you check out what you've just posted. Then you quickly click the share icon, which is in the bottom right corner. Then copy the link. Then go back to ICE. Click continue. Then confirm. Then paste the link here. Then verify. Verification complete. Continue. And we're good to go. Damn.